Jonga dwani wadoga achiel kachiel nyaka kar romo mar Bomas kama bende jokanyo magolo paro mopogore opogore ewi twak kata ewi ne komiti mano mar thek kenda Kenya Kwanza kod Azimio nyaka sani koro we wawinjane gima timore kuro kalore ni nitiere jomopogore opogore mano moriwo jatend Riwruog okinde Eric Theuri mabende nyaka sani koro wacho ni piny owacho pok oketo tim katiba mar kaka dwarore ka bende nyaka sani jokanyo mopogore opogore kaka iloga bende sani koro golo pachgi we wawinjane.
It formulates measures that are in Treasury. So we hope, I know it's before Parliament, once that is enacted, I think some of the teething issues around how we can ensure we have a just nation within that framework. Thank you.
Asante sana for that observation. Asante Mheshimiwa Mwadego, our former CPG chair, Cross Parliamentary Group, a staunch Catholic. He was the one who fundraised when the Pope was coming. Yes. And then, asante sana.
Can we have the next group? Find at arms.
CMD, Priscilla Nyokabi. Karibu. Yeah. They've come in their numbers. Francis. Okay, Santeni San. Santeni, I think we will. Sorry, first of all, apologies. You see, these presentations have been so engaging that we've been running extra time literally in every presentation. So there's been a massive overlap from one presentation to another. But thank you for coming. I think we'll not go through the drill of introducing everyone unless there's anybody in this committee who do not know. But welcome, and over to you.
Thank you very much for the co-chairs and also for the chairs sitting in at the moment. We are truly delighted to be here. So allow me to introduce the CMD team, and also because we represent political parties, so you need to know which parties are represented here. We do have Ken Babu from the DAP. Okay, thank you. We have Rahab Dambuki from WIPA. Thank you. We have Brown Karaoke from TSP. Thank you. We have Boru Guyo from UDM, the legal director there. We have Wanjiko Njoki from Tujibebe wa Kenya. We have Joseph Kimathi from UDA, the sign language interpreter, you can see him doing his work. And we have Miriam Opondo from UDA, also representing persons with disability in this conversation. We have Joshua Aluoch from KANU. Joshua is at the back. And we have Tatiana Mumbi from KANU as well. And we do have members of our secretariat, led by Franklin Mukwanja, the executive director. And we do have Maureen Gishana from the secretariat, and also Tracy Osogo from the secretariat. And in terms of our presentation, we have just picked up the sort of key issues that we want to highlight to you. Based on our existence as CMD on strengthening multi-party democracy, but also based on our inclusion, the special interest groups. I'm sure you see that our group has the most young people representing the team here, and the women as well. But we are from a membership of 8 political parties in the country, drawn from both the majority and minority coalitions. And